Alright, what's up everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hold a handstand for a longer period of time. Okay, how to just boom, pop up there and chill. Now if you're having problems falling side to side, maybe what you want to do in the beginning is spread your arms out. By spreading out on the side, you're going to be increasing that base, and it's going to give you better balance so you don't fall from side to side. As you get more advanced, you can bring them in closer. Most people don't have a problem with falling side to side because they're already about shoulder width or even wider when they jump up into them. Now where most people have problems with the handstand and holding it for a long period of time is either falling forwards or backwards. Well, let me take care of this board for a second! Yeah! So let's cover how to solve those problems. When you're standing on your feet like this, and I start falling forward, basically what's happening is I'm using my toes and the front of my feet to push my balance back this way so I can stay up like this. So think about your hands like your feet, alright? So if you start falling forward, what you want to do is push with your fingers. Push with your fingers and pull yourself back to the center over your hand. Look at your forearm and your hand. It's not really like your foot, okay? Your forearm basically comes to the back of the hand when your lower extremity basically comes kind of not quite to the back. You have a heel, so if I start falling back this way, I can shift my balance with use my heels to help bring my body back up straight this way. However, with your hands, there isn't really much recovery you can do when you start falling this regarding the hands. So if you start falling backwards on your hands, or if you start falling towards the non-existent heel of the hand, what you gotta do is you gotta shift your body weight using your shoulders and your butt, and even your legs. If you choose to move your legs, you can bend them over and help push yourself back into the position, okay? I have the center of balance going down the center of my hand, not down my arms. So if my arms aren't on an angle, I need to bring my body over the center of my hand, the center of balance over the center of my hand. Not the whole thing. You gotta adjust a little bit and find what works for you. Okay, to create like an artificial balance point in the middle to make this more like the heel of your foot. Another thing to really help just gain this full stability is you want to spread your fingers out. Spread your fingers out and try to grip the ground. This creates a more stable base. So let's do a little recap. Spread your fingers out, try to grip the ground. Spread your arms out to prevent you from going side to side. Use your fingers when you start falling forward or your butt starts going over your head. Use your fingers to help push yourself back. Keep everything tight, alright? You want to keep everything tight and controlled. Standing isn't, you think it's just at the legs, but basically standing is more of a full body thing. You don't even realize it because you're so good at it, but that's how you want to get out of the handstand. So you want to use your whole body at first and concentrate on everything. So if I go up on my handstand and I start falling forward, I'm using my fingers to help counterbalance myself and push myself back. If I fall backwards, I want to bring my butt a little bit forward, but notice how my arms are kind of on an angle. Okay, I got the center of balance going down the center of my hand, not down my arms. So you're gonna have to practice this. Basically, there's no avoiding. Forward, fingers, backwards, I shift my butt forward and bring it forward like that, whoa. So remember, increase the base, and you wanna be able to push yourself back with your fingers and use your fingers like feet. But then for that heel, because you don't have the heel, it's gonna be a little bit harder. So keep over a little bit to keep that center of balance right here to create an artificial heel. You gotta keep practicing, practice, keep everything tight. This should definitely help you out. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this video helps you out. I got weekly videos coming, plus. So don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one. I swear to God! I swear! Ah!